New Storm LTD, rear oil brake replacement. 1. Untie the wire guards at these locations in the video. 2. Remove the pedal cover. 3. Remove the 2 screws that hold the damper bracket to the pedal cover and 1 screw underneath. 4. Unplug the wires. 5. Unscrew the screws fixing the joint plate, translucent plate and the light plate. 6. Remove the controller, rear fender in order. 7. Loosen the screws on the disc brakes. 8. Loosen the oil pipe screw on the front brake handle, and remove the oil pipe. 9. Remove the folding handle of the folding mechanism. 10. Remove the screws on both the left and right sides that secure the vertical support light transmitting panel at the same time. 11. Remove the accessory screws of the folding mechanism. 12. Pull out the vertical support rod, use a tool to pry open the light transmitting panel on the support rod, and remove the oil pipe. Pull out the aluminum wire pressing block. 14. Cut the front end and pull the old oil pipe out of the wire protection sleeve. 15. Thread the new oil pipe through the wire protection sleeve and tighten the screws of the disc brake. 16. Then, install the screws on the rear fender and the controller in sequence. (17) Organize the wires properly. (18) Remove the connector from the old oil pipe, install it onto the new oil pipe, and then reattach it to the brake lever. (19) Organize all the wires and wrap them with tape. (20) Clip the wires into the vertical support light transmitting panel, then install the panel back onto the support rod. (21) Align the bottom end of the light transmitting panel with the vertical support rod, then install it onto the folding mechanism. (22) Tighten the screws on the folding mechanism and install the folding handle. (23) Tighten the screws on both sides of the vertical support rod simultaneously. (24) Arrange the wires inside the connection panel to expose the screw holes. Then tighten the screws of the light panel and the light transmitting panel in sequence. (25) Place the aluminum wire pressing block into the hole and tighten the screw. (26) Organize the wires inside the vehicle body. (27) Cover the pedal cover, connect the corresponding wires, and tighten all the screws on the pedal. 28. Install the damper bracket onto the pedal. 29. Finally, wrap the removed wire protection tube back in place.